it's Nikita Malkani from St. Mother Teresa English School, Nandurbar. Here I am again with a next chapter of our Perfect Grammar and Comprehension textbook of Standard 3rd. Lesson number 18, that is sentences. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Most sentence end with a full stop. Sentence कैसे चालू होता है? Sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A sentence is a group of words. एक group of words होता है that makes a complete sense. This is Rohina. Her father is an engineer. Starts with capital letter, ends with full stop. Her mother is an editor. Starts with capital letter, ends with full stop. This is Rohina's brother Sanjay. Starts with capital letter. Brother Sanjay. Sanjay is separated and shown properly and ends with full stop. Okay. So let's find out. Take the group of words that make complete sense. Take the group of words that make complete sense. First, the clown. The clown पर क्या? Clown का क्या? It is not a full sentence. Second, Viraj likes football. It is a sentence. So do the tick mark there. Running after the bus. It is an incomplete sentence. Rima is skipping. It is a complete. Kunal is studying for his exam. It is a complete sentence. Tick. I have a pet parrot. Complete sentence. Do a tick mark. My mother told me a story. It is also a complete sentence. Amit wore. But what does he wore? Question hai. So it is not a complete sentence. So leave it empty. B. Rearrange the following group of words to form sentence using capital letters and full stop. First, Mumbai big city is a. Mumbai is a big city. Second, Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Full stop. Third, it has many places to visit. Full stop. Fourth, many tourists like to visit Mumbai. Full stop. Fifth, it has some very beautiful beaches. Full stop. Sixth, the gateway of India is in Mumbai. Full stop. Seventh, it is famous all over the world. Full stop. Eighth, many film actors live in Mumbai. Full stop. What do you have to do in this? You have to just rearrange the words given in the sentences and make a proper meaningful sentence. C. Underline the most suitable words to complete each sentence. First, an elephant has four. What does an elephant has four? Eyes, legs, ears, legs. Second, the dash have disappears from the earth. कौन disappear हो गया है earth से? Dinosaur, cows की horses, dinosaurs. Third, children should drink a glass of milk every day. Fourth, we use a pencil to write with. Words to complete each sentence. First, an elephant has four legs. The dash, the dinosaur has disappeared from the earth. Third, children should drink a glass of milk every day. Fourth, we use a pencil to write with. Fifth, Samira put candles on her birthday cake. Sixth, we use a library card to get books from a library. 7. Holi is a festival of colors. Types of sentences. A sentence that say or state something is called a statement. It ends with full stop. There are some different types of sentences also. The sentence with ends with just says something. It is a normal sentence. It is stated by statement. And ends with full stop. A sentence that asks something is called question. एक sentence जो कुछ पूछता है हमसे वो क्या होता है? Question. And it ends with a question mark. See here. D. Add a full stop or a question mark at the end of each sentence. First, where is my uncle? ये question पूछ रहा है कि मेरे uncle कहाँ है? So we will put here a question mark. Second, this poem is beautiful. Full stop. Third, why do pigeons fly? It is a question. Put a question mark there. Fourth, it is my birthday today. Full stop. It is a statement. Fifth, Whose pen is this? Question mark. Sixth, why are you late? Question mark. It is also asking a question. Seventh, I don't like people who tells lie. It is a statement. So put full stop there. We use an exclamation mark, that is this mark, after word or sentence which shows anger, surprise, sadness और happiness. जो words या sentence emotions दिखाता है, जैसे कि गुस्सा, सरप्राइज, सैडनेस या खुशी, हैप्पीनेस, उसके पीछे क्या लगाते हैं हम? एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. हुर्रे, वी हैव वॉन द मैच. इट इज़ हैप्पीनेस. आह, व्हाट अ पिटी. सैडनेस, आह, हम सैड होते हैं तब कहते हैं, राइट? अ सेंटेंस दैट एक्सप्रेस अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सडन फीलिंग इज कॉल्ड एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द डे इज! एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. अ सेंटेंस विच expresses the feelings, सडन अचानक वाली फीलिंग से कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस करता है, उस सेंटेंस को क्या कहते हैं हम? एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. ई, fill in the blanks with the correct word. First, dash, it's nice to see you after long. Hello. Second, hush, the baby is sleeping. Shh, करते हैं ना, कोई भी बच्चा सोता है तो हम करते हैं सबको, राइट? तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ फीलिंग. थर्ड, हुर्रे, tomorrow is a holiday. Fourth, ouch, I burst myself. Fifth, alas, India has lost the match. It is an emotion of sadness. Write whether the following sentences are statement, question or exclamatory sentences. First, I waited for you at the bus stop. I waited for you at the bus stop. मैं bus stop पे खड़ा था तुम्हारे लिए. It is a statement with full stop. Second, why did you get late? Question mark. It is a question. Third, poppies are my favorite flowers. Full stop. It is a statement. Fourth, how noisy the place is. Exclamatory mark. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Fifth, will you finish your homework on time? Question mark. It is also a question. Parts of a sentence. Now what are the parts of sentence? A sentence has two parts. A naming part called the subject and an action part is called predicate. जिस पार्ट में किसी भी पर्सन का नेम या कोई भी चीज़ का नेम होता है उसे बोलते हैं हम सब्जेक्ट. एंड द पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस विच शोज द एक्शन, जो एक्शन दिखाता है उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? प्रेडिकेट. Sanjeev is reading. So what is the subject here? Sanjeev is the subject or the naming part. Is reading, it is the predicate or the action part. Reading, वो read कर रहा है, means action कर रहा है कोई. So it is called predicate. Okay? And Sanjeev is the name, so it is the naming part is called as subject. Okay? E, match the subject in column A to suitable predicates in the column B to form meaningful sentence. First, I have written the answers here also and matched also. If you didn't understood this matching lines, or if you get confused, just refer this options or this alphabets, okay, as answers. The frogs croak in the pond. The cock made a delicious salad. The cook made a delicious salad. Third, the duck quacks in the lake. Fourth, the camel is called the ship of the desert. Fifth, clouds give us rain. Sixth, the earth is round in shape. The stars twinkle at night. Ship gives us wool. So these were some subjects and the predicates relating to them. I hope you understood this lesson.